Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Bengali chicken curry. So while making the recipe I will show you what I am going to use. Friends, I have already put in the mustard oil here. You can see it's turning hot. First of all, I will fry the potatoes because in Bengal chicken curry is made or mutton is made. We use potatoes. So first of all I will fry the potatoes. Friends, the potato you can see is turned golden brown. Now I'll take this out. Now in the same oil I will make the curry. I will put some sugar in it. Friends, you can see the sugar is turned brown in the oil here. You can see it. Now I will put in the bay leaves. The bay leaves put in 4 green ilaichi and put in the cut onion. I have taken 2 green chilies, slitted up. This also I will put in. Friends, you can see the onions turn brown. Now I will put in the chicken. Put in the ginger garlic paste. Put in some turmeric powder. Put 1 spoon chili powder. Put some dhania powder. I will put in the fried potatoes also. Friends, I will put the salt also. This is the salt. Friends, you can see the chicken frying along with the masala. Friends, the chicken is fried up nicely along with the masalas. This is the tomato and dhania patti which I have cut. This I will put. Now I will add some water. Now I will cover it up and let it cook. Friends, the chicken curry is ready. You can see Bengali chicken curry. Before taking it down from the fire, I will put some garam masala powder. This is garam masala powder which I'm putting. Bengali chicken curry is ready. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching my video.